Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So like I told you already that today I'm going to post one video regarding the latest and coolest messenger tricks in Nepali version. Okay, somehow in middle I am going to speak in Nepali also. So आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ मेसेन्जरको कुलेस्ट ट्रिक जसले चाहिँ हजुरहरूलाई मेसेन्जर युज गर्न एकदम सजिलो बनाउँछ त्यो आज म तपाईलाई सिकाउन गइरहेको छु. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट विथ ओपनिङ मेसेन्जर. ओके, सो पहिला सुरु देन आफ्टर. ओके सो फर्स्ट से ओके डू लाइक दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज एन reply. This is our reply with my friend. Okay, now let's start with our video. So now what we'll do first one is you can change your color of the text. So for that you have to click on this eye icon, and from here you have to go on the theme. Okay, then if you want to change this theme it will become like this, berry. So if you want to change another, you can select any theme, whatever theme you like from this one. Okay, and I'll use this one right now. Okay, so the color of text will also be changed. Hi. Okay, so then after this is in first trick. So let's move to the second trick. So in second trick I'm going to show you how to change this emoji. For that you have to go to the eye icon. Then after you have to select this emoji, and you can click to any of the emoji which you love or which you are regularly using. Okay, so you can do like. So right now I am with my sister, that's why I am putting like button. Otherwise you can put or you can customize according to your need and will. So then after, now we are going to learn another trick, and that trick is how to do a secret conversation with your friends. Like for example, if you want to have a secret conversation with your friends, family and girlfriend, then you can select this option which is provided by this messenger. So from here do okay. So say hi, and you can set the timing. Okay, you want that after you send this hi, then the message will get disappear after 5 seconds. So let's check. Okay, 1 2 1 and gone. So this message is already faded away. So go again back. So this is third trick. Now we are going to learn fourth trick, and in fourth trick again you have to open the messenger and go to I button. Okay, then after you can ignore the message. Okay, for example, if you don't want to talk with Susma, then you can ignore this message and she will not able to see you again. So if you want to activate her again, do like this and delete conversation, open it, and now you can again go. For example, if you doesn't want to hear from someone who always disturb you and irritate you while using your Facebook and a messenger. So now let's move toward our fifth trick, and the fifth trick is you can turn off the notification of anyone you wanted to. Okay, for that, so for how many minutes you want to mute that notification for the conversation. Like if someone is continuously irritating you, and if you want to get rid of that person, and if you don't let your messenger system to send a notification from that person, then you can do for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours. This is all available, and you can do also until I turn it back. So unless you doesn't turn it back, it won't open. I'll do for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes it will automatically unmute from my mom. Okay guys, these were the 5 coolest trick and the latest trick of Messenger. So don't forget to share your feedback and your experience. Please let me know how you felt regarding this video, and hope you like my video. If you enjoy my video, give thumbs up, comment, share with your friends. For today, I'll take leave from my channel, so I'll meet you together tomorrow. So if you want me to upload any new latest trick, or if you are confused about anything regarding the social medias, Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, I will upload tomorrow. Okay, just let me know on comment section.